Join me as I challenge myself to use my knitting and gardening skills to create something amazing from my stash while exploring new travel spots. Have you ever combined your hobbies with your adventures? So how can combine knitting, gardening and travel to create memorable experiences? We will discuss the common challenge of having a stash of unused materials and how it can hinder our creativity and exploration. Explore how to creatively use your knitting materials while traveling, share tips on gardening while on the go, and highlight my recent knitting destinations. Join me on an exciting journey as I combine my passions for knitting, gardening and travel to create a unique adventure, from exploring new destinations to creating handmade crafts and tending to my garden. I'm so excited to share my experiences with you. In this podcast, I'll be showcasing my favorite knitting patterns, gardening tips and travel destinations, all while encouraging you to bust your stash and explore the world around you. Whether you're a fellow knitting enthusiast, a gardening expert, or a travel aficionado, you'll find something to inspire you in this podcast. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on this adventure together. Get ready to be inspired by the beauty of the world and the joy of creating something with your own hands.